The USB-C 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet Adapter provides a direct connection for multi-gig Ethernet for faster transfer speeds and more stable internet connections compared to Wi-Fi, and is downwards compatible with Gigabit Ethernet. Inside the packaging are the Ethernet adapter and the printed instruction manual. The adapter features a premium braided cable and an aluminum enclosure for increased durability. Plug an active Ethernet cable from your modem or router to the RJ45 port of the adapter. A Cat5 cable or higher is required to achieve 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet speeds. Your internet service provider must also be capable of supporting multi-gig technology. You may need to contact them to verify your current network capabilities. With the adapter connected to your host device, you should see a solid orange LED and blinking green LED indicators. Once connected, you should see the USB 10, 100, 1G, 2.5G LAN interface in your network settings. The adapter is also compatible with a USB-A host device when using a USB Type-A to Type-C adapter, which is not included. You can find this adapter along with our extended line of products by checking out our homepage at satechi.net.